This is Audible.
Easy Way to Quit Smoking by Alan Carr. Read by John Chancer. Alan Carr was a chain smoker for over 30 years. In 1983, after countless failed attempts to quit, he went from 60 to 100 cigarettes a day to 0, without suffering withdrawal pangs, without using willpower, and without putting on weight. He realized that he had discovered what the world had been waiting for, the easy way to stop smoking, and embarked on a mission to help cure the world's smokers. As a result of the phenomenal success of his method, he gained an international reputation as the world's leading expert on stopping smoking, and his network of centers now spans the globe. His first book, Alan Carr's Easy Way to Stop Smoking, has sold over 14 million copies, remains a global bestseller, and has been published in more than 40 different languages. Hundreds of thousands of smokers have successfully quit at Alan Carr's Easy Way centers, where it's guaranteed you'll find it easy to stop or your money back. Alan Carr's brilliant Easy Way method has been successfully applied to weight control, alcohol, debt, gambling, refined sugar, and a host of other addictions and issues. For more information about Alan Carr's Easy Way, please visit www.alancarr.com. Forward. I was the worst smoker on the planet. Smokers are notorious for burying their heads in the sand. You can only continue to do something that you know is harmful and degrading if you close your mind to the fact. As a result, nicotine addiction becomes a lonely experience. Ironically, for something that is supposed to be a sociable activity, it leaves smokers and vapers feeling they have a problem that is unique to them. But I can tell you now, you are not alone. As you listen to this book, thousands of other smokers are doing the same thing, trying to find a cure for their smoking problem. You have taken the crucial first step of opening your mind to the fact that you want to stop smoking, vaping, juuling, or any other form of nicotine addiction. You have admitted there is something about smoking or nicotine use that makes you unhappy. You may not know exactly what it is yet, but you know it's serious, and you want to find a solution. Whether you stumbled across Easy Way, or more likely, were recommended to it by a friend, colleague, or unsolicited celebrity endorsement, be reassured. You're in safe hands. And whether you believe it or not at this point, freedom awaits. Some people spend their lives trying and failing to quit smoking. Others quit in an instant. If you think that's because there are different types of smoker, think again. All smokers are caught up in the same trap. I tried and failed on numerous occasions before I discovered the method that enabled me to quit permanently. What changed? It was my understanding of the problem. Like most smokers, I believed that cigarettes gave me some sort of pleasure or crutch. I believed this, even though I took no pleasure in smoking, and it made me feel miserable. I didn't realize that I was being fooled, that I'd simply fallen into the most sinister and subtle trap that man and nature had ever combined to devise. A mixture of brainwashing and addiction had led me to believe that smoking provided me with something beneficial or pleasurable. As soon as I saw through the illusion, my desire to smoke disappeared, and I was able to help other nicotine addicts quit easily, immediately, and painlessly, without relying on willpower or substitutes, or having to endure any unpleasant withdrawal feelings. I'm going to spend the initial stage of your journey to freedom looking at your understanding of smoking and why you think you do it. By the end of this stage, you will have developed a real understanding